Hello fellow e-bikers, this is Amanda with e-bike reviews and adventures, and I am hitting the pavement running. I am going about 19 miles per hour here on the Mukkpet Breeze, and I tell you what, it feels like I'm riding on a breeze. It's a very fast bike. It has dual batteries, and one of the batteries is sitting on a rear rack that has so many layers on it, it reminds me of a tiramisu, but I'm also in the mood for lunch, so. Now the cool thing about the dual batteries is it has 2 chargers. That's something we have never seen before with these e-bikes that we get. Typically we only get 1 charger, but because this bike comes with 2 batteries, we got 2 chargers to go along with it, so that was a very helpful detail that they considered for their customers. Another neat detail about the Mukkpet Breeze is it's got these mag wheels. I like the look of that. It's just nice and clean cut. Don't have a bunch of spokes sticking out like it's having a bad hair day. No, it's got these uniform looking wheels that I can absolutely appreciate. There's a rooster over there. He's giving his approval too. Now this e-bike definitely rides like a breeze. I hopped on this thing and it just felt right. It feels comfortable. I really love the palm rests, handlebars. Those are my favorite. And of course, it's got my favorite twisty throttle. Love that. Now, of course, when you want to hit the road and you want to rock and roll, you want to know what kind of battery power you have too. So on this bike, you got 30 amp hour and the motor is 750 watts. So you got lots of power and you got a good range too. Brakes work great. Get up to pedal assist 5. Keep an eye on this vehicle. They got their blinker on, but I don't always trust the cars. At pedal assist 5, I'm getting this up to 26, 27, about 27 miles per hour, 28 miles per hour, excuse me. Being my first impression, I am enjoying this bike. It feels good. I'm gonna have to get me a passenger though for the rear. I mean, I don't need a passenger, but you can definitely ride with the passenger in the back. I don't know how comfortable that wooden seat is gonna be, but we'll just have to give it a try and see what we think. So overall impression, guys, I am digging the Mukkpet Breeze. The color is very nice. It's not an eyesore. It's very zippy. I can do a little bit of off-roading with it, which is awesome. I like being able to have that option to hit the pavement or go and hit the mulch. That's gonna be it for this video today. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe because we've got all sorts of content and we are happy to share our wealth of knowledge and experience that we have riding our e-bikes and e-trikes. So keep on rocking and rolling, ride safe, and I will see you in the next video.